my shovel. We had a snow. It's about 2 to 3 inches yesterday and this morning. And my street here was just plowed. So now, the problem of do-it-yourself, workaholic attitude, and can-do attitude is I do it myself. Now, it's a good thing that the temperature is melting. And so, it's not as thick because it's already melting. And why would you say, Ria, if it's melting, why are you shoveling? I want to shovel it because I want it cleared before the sun comes out. I look at the temperature today and the temperature highest is 43. So a lot of times, the snow will melt because of the increase in temperature. Now, it's 8 o'clock in the morning and I called my guy to do the other properties. So the problem with do-it-yourself in the beginning is because when you don't have a lot of properties, you do it yourself first. And that's good because in the beginning, that's what I had to do. I started, looking for properties, some small repairs, paint. I was doing the paint myself. And workaholic attitude, oh boy, what you do in small things just like this, what you do in small little things, you do in big things. So, my dear friends, if you do small little things like repair, paint, or shoveling, that means you can do bigger things because of what? Your attitude, your mentality. So, that's a good thing. Number 3, I can do it attitude because why? If others have done it, so can I, and so can you, and so can we. So guys, if you want to know more about apartment investing, the benefits of being you can do it yourself, DIY, workaholic, and can-do attitude is yes, in the beginning we all need those ingredients. Now, as you grow and scale your business, which I am trying to do, my husband and I have over 70 apartment units. And so I want to grow and scale it so I can afford a lot of employees to do this for me. And that's our goal, right? What we do in small things, we do in big things. So if you want to know more about apartment investing, I wrote a book. It's called Apartment Prescription. It's how I found, bought, and paid for our 50 apartment units. So if you want to know more about what I do, go check out my book, Apartment Prescription, and follow me in Facebook. Let us go! Wealth cannot wait.